So to kind of end, I want to wrap up and ask, when we welcome you back to our event in October in Malaysia this year, where do you hope the market would have progressed from where you're kind of seeing now? Tuan, I'll start with you.
Yeah, first of all, on Exxon's side, let's hope that the situation in Middle East improves, even though with the latest news it doesn't look so good, but hopefully that happens overall geopolitically. Nevertheless, of course, I think we at Schaeffler and overall regarding also our partners, I think, we now got used to the new normal. Apart from that, of course, from our internal initiatives, I mentioned at the moment is just in pilot. I hope that the solution from Holocene when it comes to the inbound digitalization is something that we can further roll out by then in more countries. And apart from that, looking forward, of course, to October and then to catch up with you all in person.
Thank you, Tuan. Eric, to wrap us up.
Yeah, look, of course, we would like to see the business to grow, both on the OEM side as well as on the replacement market. As I alluded to at the opening, we still have the USMCA agreement in North America, but President Trump has said that he doesn't want to continue that. Obviously, we have to see how this all plays out, but that could be another certain type of disruption coming in. Global trade has been thriving on a degree of stability and certain formal and informal agreements over the decades. So we thrived as a business on the back of that, but we will adapt to the situations that come our way. In the meantime, we'll just continue to focus on what our customers are looking for, right? In terms of the price quality balance, create value for our customers over and beyond the product itself. Those are the standard but very fundamental things that we continue to try to do as a business and obviously in the supply chain as well.